I'm gonna make fried chicken, something that I genuinely love to eat, and I want every bite to just be addictively delicious. 4 cups of buttermilk, my favorite marinade for chicken. It's just God's nectar. I add salt, some cracked pepper, and a little bit of cayenne. Gives it a little tingle, a little heat. Mix it together. That's our jacuzzi for the chicken. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Submerge them in the buttermilk. If you do mixed chicken breasts and thighs, just separate them and fry them. Like do a batch of all the chicken breasts so they have the same cooking time, and then do your thighs after. Cover this, pop it in the fridge to marinate for at least 4 hours and up to 12 hours. For the dredge, 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, a little pinch of salt, and 1 cup of cornstarch to give that kind of crunchy airiness. Give it a little whisk. I have oil. We want it at about 350. Chicken, drop it right in there. Make sure it's really coated with that cornstarch, and then gently drop it right in here and away from you. So if the oil splatters, it splatters on the stove and not on you. Use your instinct about what a good batch is. Better to fry something in 2 batches than to try to do it all at once, have it overcrowd, the oil temperature drops, and you end up with soggy chicken. Just gently move it, swirl them a little bit in the oil. Now we're gonna fry this until it's golden brown on the exterior. So your cue to take it out of the oil is visual. This is what it looks like after a minute or 2. You can see we've got that crispy exterior, but it's not brown, so we wait. Now listen, you can make this super spicy. You can add more cayenne pepper, which has got a real heat to it. You can do anything with this. Okay, so golden brown, carefully fish that out of the oil, and you wanna bring it back up to 350 degrees before you drop extra chicken. Right when it comes out of the fryer, right on top with that salt. And then I'm gonna put this in the oven, 350, 5-10 minutes, depending on how big the pieces are, just to make sure they're cooked through. How do we serve it up? Very complicated. I mean, I've just put this tray right on the table and I don't hear any objections. You could squeeze a little lemon all over the top, and then we eat. Fork, knife, plate, forget it. Oh yeah. I'm just getting chicken with that crunchy crust. This could go straight into a sandwich, by the way. Sliced and straight on top of a salad. It's just special.